Cardano ADA CEO just revealed secret price pump in 48 hours exactly. It's happening. Cardano, in the past couple of days, appears to have lost the grip, as after consolidating heavily around $2, the ADA price slashed below. Despite the traders grabbing the asset at a discounted price, a slight rise is resulting in an extreme drain, and hence the rally seems to have chosen an opposite pace, wherein a deep dive looks pretty possible. September is always considered as a drowning month in history, and October to be pretty green. However, ADA price failed to follow the bullish momentum, which was led by most of the altcoins soon after Bitcoin price smashed a new all-time high. The analysis points out towards lower levels may be revisited this week. However, discovering new levels is still not out of the probabilities. Today we're going to talk all about why Cardano is going to rally soon and what Cardano CEO revealed about ADA. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 3rd of November, shall we? The Cardano price had recovered well on Thursday after the price dropped to $1.91 on Wednesday. ADA rose by 3.89% on Thursday as the price rose up to $1.98 before pushing back above $2 on Friday, as the price settled at $2.01. However, ADA fell back in the red over the weekend as the price dropped to $1.95 on Saturday, before posting a marginal recovery on Sunday and moving back into the green. The Cardano price has been quite bearish lately, but had started the previous weekend on a bullish note, as the price rose by 0.89% on Friday before pushing up a further 0.55% on Saturday. Cardano fell back into the red on Sunday as the price dropped by 2.22%, dropping to $2.12, before recovering on Monday and moving up to $2.14 as ADA started the week on a positive note. However, the price was back in the red on Tuesday as ADA registered a marginal fall, thanks to the 20-day SMA acting as resistance, before dropping by over 10%, falling below $2 and settling at $1.91. Now let's get back to the topic. In a tweet posted by the Cardano Foundation on Monday, the number of Cardano ADA wallets has surpassed the 2 million mark. The network reached the previous milestone of 1 million ADA wallets on May 22, 2021. During that period, the Cardano Foundation successfully implemented the Alonzo hard fork, enabling smart contracts on its network. Meanwhile, Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's founder, has shifted his attention to increasing the adoption of blockchain technology in Africa. Via a tweet posted last week, Hoskinson claimed that 5 million students in Ethiopia are on schedule to receive digital IDs linked to their academic records that are based on the Cardano blockchain. But Cardano's technological development is also picking up pace post-Alonzo. When asked about the progress regarding Cardano's Layer 2 scaling solution, Hydra, during an Ask Me Anything session on Saturday, Hoskinson said, "We are going to keep adding resources to Hydra, and we've been trying to identify some teams so we can parallelize the workstream, because it's such a high commercial priority. And it's going to be very important that we'll be able to offload a large number of the transaction traffic that's going to come from all of the apps that are coming. Layer 2 solutions operate on top of an established protocol to improve network performance. Meanwhile, sharding in the context of Cardano involves channeling transactions off-chain to staking pools, or Hydra nodes, without partitioning the ledger itself. Theoretically, suppose each Hydra node can process 1,000 transactions per second, and there are 1,000 such nodes. In that case, the entire Cardano network could process up to 1 million transactions per second, assuming linear scaling. The project is still undergoing research and development, with no exact launch date. How will Cardano perform in November? Cardano is rejecting any movement above $2 and needs a heavy push by the bulls to breach the barrier. However, that doesn't seem likely in the near term as the selling pressure remains dominant. ADA was the hot topic among crypto investors during the start of 2021, but the support quickly dwindled down. Even financial analysts predicted that Cardano could touch $10 by the end of the year. Nonetheless, that doesn't seem to be reality as we're only 2 months away to the end of the year. Cardano's run fizzled out as the hype turned towards meme currencies, which eventually made its market cap to slow down. Bears are making use of the opportunity, and the bulls are finding it hard for a comeback. However, despite its low performance, ADA has not crashed, but is trading sideways. This opens a new window of opportunity for investors to buy the dip before the next bull run. Investors need to be prepared for a slow return on investment, as the coin is unable to spike up double digits in green. In conclusion, only those who want to stay in the game for the long term can invest in Cardano. If you want quick gains and jump to another coin, ADA is not for you at the moment. Cardano's new milestone catalyzes ADA's rally to fresh all-time highs above $3.03. The latest development gave ADA a much-needed push, which was trading sideways at the beginning of the week. The third largest crypto asset by market cap was now trading at $3.03 after a surge of 6.90% over the last 24 hours alone. As a result, ADA amassed weekly gains of nearly 20%. The recent developments on the network side have stirred the traders who are betting big on the native token. ADA had a stellar week despite delays and FUDs. The coveted Alonzo upgrade is heralded as crucial because it would enable smart contracts to be built on the network. This in turn would transform the Cardano blockchain into a more lucrative network by making it accessible to a broader array of users. The Ethereum killer narrative has been around for a long time, but the subsequent developments on its ambitious roadmap could in fact put the network on the contender list. Cardano priced to benefit from increasing institutional interest. In the May 24th CoinShares Digital Asset Fund Flows weekly report, digital assets saw net institutional outflows for the second consecutive week, totaling $97 million, and establishing a new record for outflows. Bitcoin led the way with outflows totaling $111 million. More importantly, the May 24th report did show altcoin inflows totaling $27 million, with Cardano capturing the largest institutional inflows at $10 million. It was the second consecutive week of ADA inflows, lifting year-to-date inflows to $24 million for Cardano institutional investment products. Institutional investors were accumulating ADA despite the market decline. This week's CoinShares Digital Asset Fund Flows weekly report shows another $5.2 million of inflows to Cardano institutional products. It's the third consecutive week and raises the year-to-date inflows to $29 million for ADA. According to the CoinShares data, the rise of altcoins like Cardano indicate that institutional investors are exploring new investment frontiers beyond the bellwether cryptocurrencies, and the data suggests proof-of-stake coins remain the most popular. Institutional sponsorship enhances the credibility of altcoins like Cardano and offers tremendous inflows potential for the long term. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!